will discuss how to configure a property file of ScalarDB in this video. This is an important step while developing an application using ScalarDB. ScalarDB uses a property file which defines storage names and mapping between storages and database connection parameters, as well as mapping between storage and namespaces. In the property file, we define the storage name first. In the example considered here, we define Cassandra as a storage name for Cassandra database definitions. You can set any name here like storage_Cassandra or st_Cassandra, etc. After defining the storage name, set connection parameters for the target database. In this example, we define essential parameters for Cassandra. Storage type, contact point, username and password are the essential parameters. The setting parameters are different depending on the database. For more details, please check the API guide document. The link is displayed. The mapping between the storage name and the database connection parameters is complete. The next step is to set up namespace mapping. The namespace mapping configuration uses the storage name defined earlier. The left side is the namespace name, and the right side is the storage name. In this example, the namespace name for the storage, Cassandra, is ns_Cassandra. You can specify any namespace name except those defined and used by the system. After defining the namespace, you can create your own tables using API or schema loader. Here is an example of using the same storage defined as Cassandra to create two different namespaces as ns_Cassandra and ns_Cassandra2. This is an example of using two different types of databases and creating a namespace for each. This pattern is used for transactions that span multiple databases. In the given example, we have defined two storages, but 3 or more storages can be defined. Let's take a look at a sample property file, which we will use in this session. Here, two storage names are defined: MySQL and Cassandra. This is the mapping between storage name and database connection parameters. Check that the contact port is defined as a connection parameter in case of Cassandra, whereas not specified in case of JDBC. This defines the mapping of storage names to namespaces. The last line defines the default storage. If any namespace is not defined in the mapping, then the default storage is used. In this example, the default storage taken is MySQL.